Hey everyone! Before we dive into today's review, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude for your ongoing support. Your feedback, likes, and comments truly fuel our passion for creating content that serves and resonates with you. So, if you enjoy this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up or thumbs down right now. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment letting us know which products you'd like to see featured next. Alright, let's dive into today's review. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to Javaburn, a revolutionary product that's transforming the way we approach weight loss and overall health. Javaburn is not just another weight loss supplement. It's a powerful, all-natural formula designed to supercharge your metabolism and enhance your energy levels. What sets Javaburn apart is its innovative blend of natural ingredients, carefully selected to maximize fat-burning potential without compromising on safety or efficacy. This proprietary formula, backed by extensive research and development, is the result of years of scientific exploration and testing. But does it really work? Absolutely. Javaburn has quickly become a staple in my morning routine, as well as for my team and countless others. It's like giving your metabolism a turbo boost, kickstarting your body's fat-burning mechanisms, and providing a sustained energy boost to fuel your day. What's more, Javaburn is incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Simply mix the dissolvable, tasteless packet with your morning coffee, and you're good to go. No more complicated meal plans or restrictive diets. Just enjoy your coffee as usual and let Javaburn do the heavy lifting. But perhaps the most impressive aspect of Javaburn is its unwavering commitment to quality and safety. This product is 100% all-natural, vegetarian, non-GMO, and gluten-free. It's manufactured right here in the USA in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility, ensuring the highest standards of quality and purity. Now, I want to address a couple of important points. Firstly, you won't find Javaburn cheaper anywhere else. We've cut out all middlemen and agents to offer you the best possible pricing, exclusively through our website. And secondly, we want to make it crystal clear that there are no hidden charges or subscription fees with Javaburn. It's a one-time payment, and if you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, we offer a 60-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. So, if you're ready to experience the incredible benefits of Javaburn for yourself, click the link below to place your order today. And as always, thank you for watching. Your support means everything to us. Until next time, take care